Stratasys is excited to announce a new and easy way to view certified pre-owned inventory. Our worldwide Certified Pre-Owned program provides customers with budget constraints or second-hand preferences a premium quality option to acquire Stratasys additive solutions. Navigate to our Customer Hub to begin. From here, select the Certified Pre-Owned Printers tab. There is no login required to browse or request a quote. As you browse the inventory, you can click Read More to be directed to the printer's information page on Stratasys Support Center. Here, you will find technical data, site preparation information, user guides, and more. Once you have determined which certified pre-owned printer best fits your needs, you can click Get Quote. Fill in your contact and business information here, then click Submit to have your request routed to a Stratasys Sales Representative who will contact you soon after. Our Certified Pre-Owned Printers page is updated in real time. Note that inventory is limited and orders are processed on a first-come, first-served basis, so be sure to find the right printer for you and request a quote today.